Hi, I'm Diane with Elevate Digital Marketing. We're back for another AI strategy session. Today we're going to be talking about AI automation for small businesses, the ultimate guide for choosing the right tools. We're going to give you some real-world examples here as well. AI automation revolution, how small businesses can thrive in this digital age. There's a coffee house in Seattle, not the one you're thinking of with the green label. But this is another one, and it's competing against some big competition. Do you want to learn how this small coffee house got its edge against the big green machine of the coffee houses in Seattle? They used an AI chatbot. Now, we might think AI chatbots are not that important, but actually it can do a lot. So this one was struggling to keep up its demands during rush hours. You've seen a lot of coffee houses during rush hours, all these little coffees coming out one by one. And how can a small business compete with the big labels? They implemented the chatbot to handle basic inquiries, so they didn't have to answer the phone. They also did order status online. This freed up the staff to focus on personalized customer interactions. And this led to a 15% increase in customer satisfaction. So since the implementation of AI, it's become increasingly accessible for small businesses to implement and have that competitive edge against your big competitors. This offers solutions for diverse business needs, from streamlining operations to enhancing customer experience. Revolutionizes how small businesses can operate today and grow. This video will dive into some practical applications of AI, and we'll also show you some ways small businesses have used it as well and improved some of their operations. Unlocking your potential with AI tools. So another company, this one located in New York City, was a little fashion boutique house. They used an AI-powered tool to predict fashion trends, analyze customer data, personalized email marketing campaigns, and this led to a 20% increase in sales within 6 months. That's a wonderful return on their investment for that AI advantage. AI can analyze data to personalize market campaigns, automate social media posts, and optimize your spending to maximize your return on investment. Imagine a chatbot and virtual assistants handling customer inquiries 24/7, freeing up your time for strategic tasks, leading to increased productivity, improved customer satisfaction. With AI, this wonderful new tool that small businesses can leverage, it can predict sales trends, identify potential leads, and automate personalized sales outreach, making your sales team more efficient and boost conversion rates. Real-world AI automation examples for small businesses. In 2024, a small bakery in Chicago implemented an AI-powered inventory management system. This predicted when there was going to be a demand for certain products and automated the reordering. It reduced waste by 10%, which increased their bottom line. In 2023, a San Francisco bookstore used an AI chatbot for their website, which helped predict customer preferences, and that led to a 15% increase in sales for their company. Finding the right AI tool, here's a step-by-step guide. Start by identifying key areas where your AI can have the biggest impact on your small business, or maybe it's easier to identify your business pain points. Once those are identified, then look at it. Is it an automated repetitive task? Is it improving customer engagement? Or is it optimizing inventory management? Next, explore various AI tools by considering their cost, their features, ease of integration, and potential return on investment. Next, Begin with a pilot project. Dip your little toe in the water with a few key areas and gradually expand your AI tool usage. This will help you gain confidence and you'll see positive results. Choosing the perfect AI partner, it could be free, it could be paid, or you can choose a hybrid. For your first experimentation with AI, try something free. Experiment. Get your foot in the water with AI this way. You can try GPT Chat, Google AI, or TensorFlow. Then, when you're ready, choose a more tailored solution for your business and choose something like a marketing automation with HubSpot or customer support with Zendesk. Paid solutions offer many advanced features and a dedicated support team. Or you could choose the hybrid effect. So you can choose combining free tools for basic functions and then paid solutions for your more advanced features. This strikes a balance for cost effectiveness and tailored solutions. Maximizing AI investment from success to sustainability. Define clear objectives for your AI implementation, whether it's for increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, or a higher revenue. Regularly analyze your results, identifying areas for optimization and fine-tuning your AI strategies to maximize its effectiveness. Next, stay updated with the latest advancements of AI to ensure your solutions remain at the forefront of innovation and leverage new opportunities in this digital age. Consult an AI specialist or a consultant for guidance on implementation, optimization, and strategic decision making, ensuring you're getting the most out of your AI investment. The future is automated. Embrace the power of AI for small businesses. AI is not just a trend, it's the future, empowering small businesses to compete in this digital age. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can streamline operations, enhance customer service, gain a competitive edge, and unlock new growth opportunities. Embrace the opportunities that AI has to offer and watch your small business thrive in this new digital landscape. Bye for now. Subscribe and like. Watch our next video if you want more information.